There are 5 different formats that your book can be in. So how do you use each format, right? So you have the paperback, looks like this. You have the hardcover, looks like this. You have the Kindle version, which looks like this. I don't know if Ashley can make something cute here. And if she can't, this would just look like I'm a little bit off today. We also have the PDF version, which I don't have anything to show you either. And then we also have the audiobook version. So how do you use each format? In this video, I want to show you the 5 different formats and how to use each format to yield the greatest results. Check it out. You're an author now, or you're looking to be an author now, you have 5 different formats. What in the hell do you do? What yields the greatest results? In this video, I want to show you what we do and what we recommend for other authors to do. It all comes back to where you're going with the book. What are you trying to accomplish? The greatest lead generator on the planet, hands down, by far, is a book. And that is why I'm going to start off with the #1 way. Without cutting through all the other noise and everything, I'm going to cut to #1, which is the best way, and that is the PDF ebook. All right, your PDF ebook is going to generate more money for you than a paperback or a hardcover. I'm telling you right now, if you have a service or if you have some type of business, you want to build a brand, you want to grow your name, what you want to do is you want to create a quote-unquote funnel. I hate the word funnel because too many people overuse it, but the PDF ebook is going to generate more leads for you. What do I mean by that? Well, on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, anything, you can direct them towards a website. Now, a website is a way to capture their email. Okay, so if you capture their email, you can send them something immediately. Now, I say immediately because it is absolutely 100% immediately. There's no waste of minutes, days, hours, whatever. It's going to be, here's my email, let me get the book. What happens from there is either they get the email and start reading your book right away. So they come across your Instagram, Facebook video, YouTube, whatever. They get to know you a little bit. It's like you're on a first date with someone, or they're in a crowd, you're at a bar, and they see it and they just have a few minutes to look at you or talk with you. You have to give them something so they're a little bit more interested in you. A book, you can't do this with someone and say, hey, you know what, let me send you a book. It'll arrive at your house probably 7 days from now. The fire is going to get really hot and then it's going to die down. And it's not going to be hot enough to stay lit. If you have an ebook, a PDF version, you're going to be able to meet someone online, someone on the other side of the world, or someone watching your video, go to a website, and get something from you immediately, right then and there when they are interested in you. So the PDF ebook, the way I use this is with social media, with direct messages, with meeting people all the time on Facebook, engagement, YouTube, whatever it is. Hey, I'd like to send you a free copy of my book. Hey, I'd like to send you a free copy of my book. Would you like a free copy of my book? Hey, you know what? You just did this. Would you like a free copy? I'll send it to you now. What's your email? What you're doing there is you're kind of simplifying the process of getting their email, them getting a book, them getting to know, like, and trust you right away, no time wasted, no delay, and now you have their email. So with the email, you're able to generate a stronger relationship over 3 months, 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years. I have clients now that I just met 2 years ago that just became a client. So what does that mean? If you get access to a way of reaching them consistently and keep giving value and keep giving information in addition to the book, now you're strengthening that relationship and you're getting a win in your column. Every time you do something great or teach them something or show them something a little bit more unique, you win. And when you win enough and you help them win, they're going to look at you as a person of value, and your value starts to skyrocket. It all goes back to the PDF ebook. You generated that relationship out of thin air because you gave them something with no expectation of them buying anything in return. Now they are in your pipeline, your funnel. And now you can continue to put water on that flower, get some sunlight on there, and grow it from the ground up. You know, the people who are starting from zero, our apparel line and our education ways, software and seminars and all that. What we do is it's for people who are starting from zero. It's called Started From Zero. And the number one way to generate leads, especially if nobody knows who you are yet, is to give people something. You got to give them something. That's not going to cost you any money. It doesn't cost you anything. And that's another benefit to this program. If you get an ebook, PDF version, it doesn't cost you anything. And if it's automated, it's all set up and it's perfectly done on your website, and you have the nice social media presence that generates leads going back to your website, and then you have the completing of the circle. All of a sudden, now you're able to generate leads in your sleep, all because you have something to give away. So the PDF version book, way to go. That's what you need to do. Kindle version. Kindle version, I think, is for only be used for one way, and that's to become a bestseller on Amazon. Kindle is calculated immediately on Amazon. So if you ever get a sale, it's everything's electronic. There's no delay. You know, it's 99 cents or $2.99 or $9.99. You set the price at a certain price, 99 cents, and you do a big push or a big launch on a certain day at a certain time in a certain genre, and you get a lot of people to buy this book at 99 cents. What that does is it floods sales to that book. It pushes, you know, wind and momentum into this book, and all of a sudden Amazon sees a lot of sales, and they're going to keep pushing it out to other people because there's a lot of other people buying this book. Oh, it must be of value. You play it towards Amazon's algorithm, and if you have velocity behind a book, all of a sudden now you're going to get attention from Amazon, and Amazon wants to make money, so they're going to promote your book to other people and say, hey, you bought this book, maybe you want to check out this book also, because there's a lot of other people buying it. And that's why you want to use Kindle, because it's a low-cost investment, 99 cents for people, and they're still able to help you get bestseller status, which you can use as a great marketing technique from here on out. Kindle is great, except for the fact that you have 100 different formats out there. So if it's on a phone, or if it's on a tablet, or if it's on a computer, or if it's on an iPhone compared to a Droid, it's all going to look a little bit different because of different sizes. So that's the downside of Kindle. I don't like it to read books per se. I like it for the fact that it's a great marketing strategy. So that's why I like Kindle. The next one is paperback. Paperback is beautiful because it's going to be a low-cost investment for other people. If you have 100 of these behind you during an event. Hey, thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you got anything from it, please like it and share it. For more tips and advice on branding, marketing, entrepreneurship, or for anyone who's looking to build it from the ground up, stay tuned for more.